This is a quick tutorial to show you how to do the letter A project we're doing in class. So I'm going to first click on front, get flat, sketch on front. We're going to use the line tool this time to make a triangle. Click, click, click. Okay, and now we want to give the triangle the lengths. We said that the legs would be 3 inches tall or high. Make that one 3, this one 3, and we wanted the width to be 2. Okay, great. Check mark that. We're going to highlight that and extrude that to 0.5. Give it depth. Enter. Fine. We've got our triangle. Now we're going to remove some of the top. Sketch. Sketch right on top of the existing triangle. Get my line tool again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we wanted the legs to be 0.25 inches. Dimension tool, and you have to be careful here. I'm going to have to dimension from the point to the side. It does something different if we try to go from line to line. So from that vertex of the triangle to the side, 0.25. From top vertex to the side, 0.25. From this side to there, 0.25. From there to there. It's already 0.25. Enter. And now we're going to extrude that little triangle. And we're going to say remove. Instead of blind, we're going to say through all. And we've got the top part. Finally, we need to remove a trapezoid from the bottom to create the legs at the bottom. So we're going to sketch right on top of the triangle. Get our line tool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to dimension here to here, 0.25. Here to here, 0.25. Here to here, 0.25. Here to here, 0.25. Now you'll notice that my trapezoid isn't perfect here, and that's going to create a little problem. Yours is the same as mine. So I'm going to use a new tool here, and I'm going to go over here, and there are a bunch of tools, one of which is parallel. I'm going to click on parallel. I'm going to click that line and that line, and notice that it made it okay. Still, I think that I asked for you guys to make the distance between here and there 0.25, and watch what happens if I try to dimension that. Click from there to there, 0.25. Doesn't like that. And the reason is because that being 2.25 and everything else being true, this number down there can't be 0.605. I'm going to right click on this to show you something. I could say change to driven dimension, which means that everything else forces that into whatever it needs to be. But there's another thing that's easier for me to do right now, which is just to click on it and delete. And I got rid of that. And now that number will be whatever it needs to be based on everything else. So sometimes you can just get rid of something. And so now we've got our trapezoid, and we're going to extrude, and we're going to remove, and we're going to say through all, and we've got our letter A. So there you go. That is the solution to the project.